Assalamu alaikum, dears. Today I am going to talk about gossip. So, do you like gossip? Please comment. Actually, I like to gossip with my friends. So, whenever I will get free time, I will try to gossip with my friends always. So, it's the important things like me. So, it's really helpful for me. I can know a lot of things from my friends and family, and I can many things from my friend. Actually, it's really helpful for everyone. So if you don't gossip with your friends and you can't sustain, you can't remain your friendship with your friends, and they will forget you. There is the simple matter then. So I always try to gossip with my friends, and it's important things every single day. I'll try to gossip with my friends and families, with others, my close relationship. And you know that that's the point of maintain that's the point of sustain long time your communication skill with your friends, with your family. So I suggest you that you should gossip single day. Not like that I pressure you, that just if I get free time I'll try to gossip with my friends, and we will do funny together, and by doing gossip, and really actually it's too much helpful with us. Whenever we'll talk to our childhood, we'll gossip our childhood, we'll gossip our childhood memorize. That is the important part of was in our life, and that's why I feel very well whenever we'll get together, and when we gossip together. And we have not enough time to gossip every day, but sometimes we have enough time, and we can gossip with our friends every day, not every day, but someday a little bit more. And but that times we can share our opinion, we can share our story with our friends, and that's the really helpful for in our future, because we can no information about our the technical issues, technical things, and in our study future, who are doing good things, who are doing bad things. If you do bad things, we will suggest everyone in one person for remove their bad things and do good things. So that's the really helpful, and we I think that it's quite familiar with me. And every single day I don't try to gossip with our friends, because I have not too much time for gossiping. Sometimes I can get free time, I'll try to gossip together with them, and they always support me for any problems. If I share my problems with my friends, they always try to help me anyway, and I always try to help them. If I know there are any kind of my friends are doing a problem, so I can try to solve their problem. So that's the important thing. So if you gossip with your friends, you can know the problem your friends, and you can help him by your effort. So I think everyone maintain their friendship, and if your stage is peak, you should not forget your friendship, who was your friend in your childhood. So you should, as a human being, you should not do this, and you should make friendship, and you can always help your friends. And that's all for the moment. See you later.